The topic is finding the cross product of two vectors. So let's look at the definition. If you have two vectors, v equal v1, v2, v3, and w equal w1, w2, w3, then the cross product, v cross product w, will be equal to this determinant. So how do we do this determinant? I mean, if you want to memorize it, it's always going to be I, and how do we come up with this? We go to I and we do this one column, one row, and whatever it's left goes here. See? V2, V3, W2, W3. Same thing. It's going to be minus. We go to J and then we do this line right there and another line. Whatever it's left goes here. And then K. We go to K. We do this column, this row. Whatever it's left goes here. Alright, so let's do that. So V, let's do it here. So V cross W is equal, like I said, we always put the IJK first. So IJK in the first row. And then we put the component of V on the second row. So 2, 1, negative 3, and then we put the component of W in the third row, which is 1, negative 1, 2. Now this is going to be equal to, we know this is going to be I, this will be actually minus always with the J, whoops, and then K would be plus. So again, I mean, you can just look at this. So here, what do we plug in? We plug in this determinant, so it's 1, negative 3, negative 1, 2. Why? Because we go that way, and then whatever it's left goes in there. And then what do we plug in this determinant? We go to J, so we don't choose this column and this row, whatever it's left, which is 2, 1, negative 3, 2. So 2, 1, negative 3, 2. And then same thing, what goes in here, we go to K and we do this line and we do this line. Whatever it's left is this determinant. So it's 2, 1, 1, negative 1. And then now all we have to do is calculate the determinant. And determinant definition is right there. You always go this way, AD minus and then CB. So in this case, we multiply these two together. 2 times 1 minus, multiply these two. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. And this is I minus. We go that way. This diagonal, 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 3, so minus 3. Well, actually, minus negative 3, so it's plus 3. J, and then plus. Again, we go that way. 2 times negative 1 is minus 2, minus 1. So the answer will be 2, negative 3. 2 minus 3 is negative I. 4 plus 3 is 7, so minus 7J. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3K. So this is what we mean with V cross W. And that's it.